So students, today we will begin with preposition. What are prepositions? Prepositions are the words which tells you the position of a noun. Let's learn what are different prepositions. A preposition basically answers the question where. For example, where is the cat? The cat is on the sofa. The cat is behind the sofa. Cat is sitting on the table. Cat is sitting under the table or beside the table. So where is the cat sitting? This where question's answer is always answered by the preposition. So let's see and let's explore more examples of prepositions. So here we have taken an example of a pineapple. It is kept on the yellow box, right? So on is a preposition. Where is the pineapple kept? It is kept on the box. In second picture, the pineapple is over the box. It is over the yellow box. In the next one, it is going through from inside. It is going through the pineapple is inside of the yellow box. The pineapple is under the yellow box. You can see that the picture clearly tells us that the pineapple is kept near the yellow box. The pineapple is on the yellow box. The pineapple is next to yellow box. Where is the pineapple? Next to yellow box. Outside. It is kept outside the box. It is not inside. It is outside. Here in this picture, where is the pineapple? The pineapple is between the yellow box. In this picture, pineapple is in the yellow box. Pineapple is among the yellow box. There are many boxes and he is in between. In front of yellow box. The pineapple is kept in front of yellow box. The pineapple is around the yellow box. Everywhere around the yellow box. The pineapple is below the yellow box. The pineapple is behind the yellow box. The pineapple is beneath the yellow box. The pineapple is above the yellow box. The pineapple is beside or near the yellow box. The pineapple is across the yellow box. The pineapple is kept against the yellow box. We have seen few examples of pineapple being kept. Where is it kept? So using prepositions we have told where the pineapple is kept. Now the next example is of a cat. In the first picture, the cat is sitting beside the box. In the second picture, the cat is jumping above the box. In the third picture, the cat is behind the pot or box. In the fourth picture, the cat is trying to get in the box. In fifth picture, the cat is sitting between the two boxes. In the sixth picture, the cat is under the box. In the seventh picture, the cat is near the box. In eighth picture, the cat is in front of the box. In ninth picture, the cat is sitting on the box. Now we will do an exercise on preposition to understand it better. So in the first question, the ball is in the box. In the second question, the ball is on the box. In the third, the ball is beside the box or against the box. In the fourth picture, the ball is between the boxes. And in the last question, the ball is behind the box. Very good. In the third sentence, the ball can also be said as in the front of the box. So now let's begin with the second worksheet. In the bracket up, you can see that answers are already being given as on, near, next to, behind, under. So using these words, we are going to fill up the sentences given. Let's begin. The owl is on the bed. The ball is on the table. The gift is next to the dog or near the dog. The dog is under the table. The ball is next to the bag. The cat is hiding behind the bed. The bag is on the table. So I hope you all have understood prepositions, and I'll be sending you the worksheet in Google Classroom and you will be sending it as the assignment. As you have sent it before, in the same way you will send this assignment. Okay, thank you.